APEC Water Systems ROES-PH75. To say the APEC Water Systems ROES-PH75 is the best undersink water filter system is an understatement. Boasting a whopping 6-stage filtration system, supreme quality design, manufacturing, and assembly, APEC can deliver 75 gallons per day, remove up to 99% of contaminants, and is compatible with water pressures between 40 to 85 pounds per square inch. All of this equates to the purest, freshest, filtered water. APEC's alkaline filters and double carbon block filters treat both tap and well water equally. They provide unlimited clean drinking water, get a stamp of approval, and are recognized by the Water Quality Association as a certified water filtration system. The APEC ROES-PH75 arrives with all the parts you need for an easy DIY installation, and APEC ensures installation success by providing industry-best instructions. A brushed nickel, lead-free design faucet accompanies your APEC, and all tubing is food-grade, so only the freshest, purest filtered water flows at the source. APEC filtration systems are leak-free with quick-connect fittings. APEC ROES-PH75 system measures 16 inches wide by 5.25 inches deep by 17.5 inches high. The additional filtration water storage tank measures 11 inches wide by 11 inches deep by 15 inches high, and the entire system weighs 27 pounds. Warranty. Register the APEC ROES-PH75 for an extended 2-year warranty. Pros. America's #1 rated water filter brand. Double carbon blocks for chlorine chemical removal. Noise-free and dependable filtration. Cons. 2.5-hour installation. Professional recommended. Cosmetic changes to the countertop plus plumbing. Produces excessive water waste during purification.